Peppa's
It is Christmas Eve. Peppa and George are going to post their letters to Father Christmas.
Race you to the post box.
The children are all posting letters to Father Christmas.
What have you all asked Father Christmas for? A scooter.
A toy spaceship.
A little guitar. A toy mouse.
A skipping rope.
A trumpet. A bat and ball. George has asked for a toy
Yes, yes.
love
Labubu.
It is Mr. Zebra, the postman.
My goodness, a lot of post today.
They're all our letters to Father Christmas. It's very important that Father Christmas gets them.
He lives at the North Pole.
Yes, I can see that. Well, if I'm off to the North Pole today, I can't stand around chattering. Bye.
Bye!
Peppa, George, we're off to get the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
Is everybody ready?
Yes, Daddy Pig.
Then let's go!
This is Miss Rabbit's tree shop.
Daddy's been gone for ages.
I hope our tree is okay.
What's that noise?
It's Daddy with our tree!
Hooray!
Well, damn it. Children, the tree can't fit in our own house.
It is a lovely tree.
Oh, damn it.
Thank you for carrying
How?
it all the way home, Daddy Pig.
You're most welcome. Let's get it decorated.
Peppa puts the glitter on the tree.
It's so
Dad.
glittery.
George hangs the baubles. Mummy Pig fixes the fairy lights. And Daddy Pig puts a star on the very top of the tree.
There.
Ooh! Little star on the Christmas tree goes twinkle, 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 twinkle.
What a charming song.
And all the little piggies on Christmas Eve go oink, 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 oink.
Now it's time to...
Wait, there's more.
Bombastic side eye.
And he left us these presents.
George has a toy train. And Peppa has...
Labubu.
All of Peppa's friends are here.
Happy Christmas, Peppa! Happy Christmas, everyone! I got a scooter.
I got a spaceship.
A little guitar. A toy mouse. A bat and ball.
A skipping rope.
A trumpet. Everyone got what they wanted. Father Christmas is very clever. Well, actually, it was me who told him what you all wanted.
Don't be silly, Peppa.
It's true. George and I saw Father Christmas.
Here are Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Happy Christmas, everyone!
Happy Christmas!
I say, look at those big boot prints.
Ooh.
And there's more of the same boot prints on our roof.
You see, it's true. I saw Father Christmas.
Wow! Happy Christmas, Peppa. Can't catch me.
Can't catch me!
This is the best Christmas ever!